Welcome to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while since I filmed so casually, especially did like a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in so long, and I'm super excited to do this. Okay, let me tell you the plan of action. Every year in December, I like to make a vision board for myself. By this point, most of you already know what a vision board is. I have a digital planner where I plan every single day of my life. If you want to get the planner for yourself, I'll leave a link down below, but more on that later. Having my vision board right next to my planner is so important because every day while I'm working, while I'm doing my to-do list items, I can keep looking at my planner, so I know that all of this will eventually lead to what I want from the year. Although in my heart I already know what I want to add to the planner, I still have to sit down, search up the images, download them and put them onto my vision board. So that is the number one thing that I'm really excited to do today. On the work side, I like to finish all of my ongoing projects in December itself. I don't like carrying forward December projects that I'm working on to the new year. Work-wise, if it started in 2025, it should also end in 2025. We still have a few more days in 2025 left, so I still have time to wind those campaigns up. But today I want to put them in the final stages, which means for some campaigns I have to script, for some I have to edit, for some I have to ideate. So I want to get all my pending projects in motion. And I also want to organize my spaces, especially my gifting and my PR wardrobe. It is a mess. I literally shoved things inside and I've pushed to close it because it was just not closing. It's got so much stuff, so I want to organize all of that. We also have a couple of friends coming over this week, and every time they come, they ask me if I have so-and-so lotion or so-and-so cream, and I love giving them those products if I have them. So today I'm also going to organize the cupboards, and I'm thinking I'll also pack little gifts for them. Speaking of cleaning, my own wardrobe is actually a mess, especially my pants, the bottom wear section. That needs to be sorted out before the new year starts. I also want to take out clothes that I'm not going to wear in 2026 that I've anyway sort of reduced wearing even in 2025. I want to take them out so I can go and donate those. I also want to restart my yoga membership. I had it last year, then I shifted to gymming, and then I just didn't take my fitness too seriously, to be very honest, this year. Yoga is something that I've always found very approachable, so that's where we're starting. I definitely want to restart my membership today. So that's that. I'm going to take you with me throughout the day. If you need motivation to get your life in order before the new year, let this be it. It's a very gloomy day today. It's not a very bright, sunny day, and when it's not sunny, my motivation levels are just woo-hoo. So I'm going to go to a cafe and I'm going to sit and start my work, and that's where I'll also end up doing my vision board. I'm actually quite excited about that. Going to the cafe. This is my look. Today is very basic. Okay, I'm back home, and I came back home with flowers. I got some lilies and some carnations. I tried to go with like a Christmas themed flower bouquet, but we're gonna have to take these out of the bouquet and put them in the vase and then set them. And after that, I'm going to show you my vision board. Actually, I might not show you the vision board, but I will show you how I made it because I don't want to jinx anything, so I'll be extra cautious. Okay, so I have to take you through my planner and show you how I'm organizing my 2026. This is the planner that I use every year, basically. I've tried a bunch of other planners, but nothing comes as close as this one. I feel like this is just perfect. It has everything that I want, and I've made this myself because after trying a bunch of different planners, I thought nothing is just the way I want it to be with all areas of my life, so I can just come and dump my entire brain and get done with it, and then I feel so clear and decluttered mentally. So this is what I designed, and this has worked for me for so long now. This is how it looks when you open it. It's got today's priorities. It's got a very aesthetically pleasing homepage, and then you go down, you can see a few quotes, you can see quick takes. These are points that you want to get done with quickly. Short-term projects, long-term projects, personal work. You can add in like a Spotify playlist or something that you want to listen to. You have your daily time block. Then you also have your calendar view. This is just a demo version that I'm showing you. Obviously, my one is full of my daily lists and priorities. Then moving on, you have a couple of other pages, a lot of other pages right here. This is what actually makes the planner worth it. Okay, so this is the page that I have been wanting to show you. This is called the goals page or your vision boarding page. It says right here, so far you've achieved everything you wanted to. What makes you think you can't achieve more? Here you have your monthly goals. So not just are we focusing on, your top goals for the year, but we're also breaking it down into what you want to achieve month by month. Then you have your 1-year goals and your 5-year goals. And then comes your vision board. This is where you can add any pictures you want. Obviously, just as a demo, I've added a few pictures that I really liked and that I I sort of want to achieve as well. But you can keep adding more to this. This also has other sections like your morning routine, your evening routine, weekly reset routine, habit tracker, which is really great. Definitely you should do this. I've also added a section for yoga, for water, just so that I know I'm doing my 2 to 3 liters of water, 7 hours of sleep, juices, reading time, work organization. There's a budget tracker, which is really helpful. There is a self-care check-in. I want to do this before 2025 ends. And my favorite part about this is you can write a letter to your future self. You'll automatically be reminded to check in on whichever year you choose. So for example, I want the reminder to come back to me end of next year, right? So I'm going to do 31st December 2026. So now whatever I write over here, I will be reminded of that 1 year later. So I'll know exactly where I was today 1 year ago. In 1 year's time, I want to... Okay, I'm going to fill this out on my own, but you get the point, right? Like, this is so important to reflect back. Like, but you can also put this reminder for say 5 years, or you can put a reminder for say 10 years. So you will be reminded to check back in 10 years later. Then there's a section on stuff to watch, whatever rom-com, comedy, documentary, emotional shows, movies, everything is right here. This is again such a good way to just brain dump. So you don't have like multiple notes. You're not, misplacing, or you're not forgetting what you want to watch and when. You have all of these things in one section. So for example, I've also added a section for building your CV in case you find that helpful. So this is just a template, but you can keep building on this and it serves like your digital portfolio. We have a trip planner for my travel girlies, and then I've also linked important documents that you want to carry. There's a travel checklist, there's a pre-travel checklist, and then there's restaurants you want to try when you're visiting that place. So all in all, it is the ultimate life planner, which literally keeps my life in check. I would not be able to be so productive, so enthusiastic about things, so full of life, touch wood, had I not had such a clear head, which I have, because everything that I don't want to keep here, I put it onto my second brain, which is my Notion planner. I also ended up getting these from the market. I feel like these would go so perfectly with our little tree that we're trying to decorate right now. It's not little, actually it's quite a tall tree, and then this tree base as well. It is the next morning. I was super tired last night, so I didn't finish the vlog. But I still have a few things left which I didn't do yesterday. For example, getting my yoga subscription. I tried searching for it, but I feel like the app that I used to use, they don't work anymore, or they don't have like yoga packs anymore. So I'm going to have to look for another company that does that, or I might find an offline trainer. I will have to figure that out. Apart from that, we have a lot of carpets at home, and I want to vacuum the carpets because I feel like they're dirty. They're dirty, and I don't want to start the new year with a dirty floor or anything which is cluttered. This is the bottom wear section of my cupboard. Actually, it looks pretty nicely organized on camera, but if you look at this section, and even here, right, I have a lot of summer pants, like a lot of linen pants, which are not the most suitable for the winter season. So I want to categorize these and only keep winter pants right now, and then the summer pants maybe can be folded, or maybe can just go at the back and winter pants can come here. So it's always easier to look for them. And I also want to clear out this section. I don't even know isme kya kya pada hua hai. So we're going to have to actually just go through everything and see what I need, what I don't, and how I want to organize this. This is how it looks now. I've arranged everything very well. All the summer pants except 1 or 2 are kept in another cupboard, and then these are all of the winter pants, which are sort of thicker, jeans, pants, whatever. I also want to color coordinate these, but maybe for another day. And then here are all my winter skirts, mufflers, hats, and then that is my shorts and like beachwear stuff. Okay, this is after spending a lot of time cleaning that we have some order, even though this right now, I'm not even going to go here and show you in detail, but this is basically all the stuff that I sort of cleaned and organized very well. In dabbo mein aa gaya sab kuch. Okay, before the new year begins, I wanted to do like an everything shower, like a nice indulgent everything shower. So I'm going to do that today, and I'm going to reset for New Year's. So I'm applying this face mask. This is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, which I have been loving. Not sponsored, by the way. I genuinely do love this. While this dries up, I'm going to finish my book. I've taken a while to get through this. So before the new year, I definitely want to get done with this book so I can get new books for 2026 and have more reading experiences, which is, by the way, one of my resolutions. I definitely want to get back into reading. So I'm going to go read now. I'll see you guys in a bit. And this is our super tall, 7 feet tall tree, and the base. We actually painted the base yesterday. So Deep and I both were just on this, and then I've put some real flowers over here, sort of tucked them in, and that is the tree. This is the app I used to use long back. It used to have these yoga classes, but I'm not able to find the yoga section anymore. And I also searched on Google and I think it said they've kind of discontinued yoga. So I'll have to find another yoga class now. I'm thinking I'll either look for an offline yoga class where I can possibly go myself and do it, or look for a trainer who can come and teach yoga early in the morning. Or if those two options don't work out, I'll probably end up following a few YouTube tutorials or like a few YouTube pre-filmed yoga classes. Although when you do it with other people who are doing it alongside you and it feels more like a classroom, you do it more seriously and you sort of look forward to doing it. Even if it's online, if you have like a Zoom class where there are multiple people doing yoga, I just feel a lot more motivated. I am so happy we were able to do everything that we had planned. Yes, a few things like the yoga membership, I still have to figure that out, but we still have time for that, and the majority of the things that I had planned, those are done. My cupboards are clean, my gifting cupboard is sorted, I got flowers for the house, the Christmas tree is nicely done up, my vision board is ready, pending projects are on the stage of completion. All in all, I feel like it's been quite a productive day, actually 2 days. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it motivated you to get your lives back together before 2026 starts. Lock in, get done with it. It's not as difficult as it seems when you're starting out, but as you keep moving, that motion leads to more positive reinforcement and you end up doing so much which you thought was such a big pile of tasks at the beginning. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos do you want to watch, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe because I make a lot of such videos helping you level up your life. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, bye bye.